Grewal, Jayaprada, Boni Kapoor and others attended the press conference of the 3rd National Yash Chopra Memorial Award at a 5-star hotel in Mumbai. Take a look.
Hello, good evening. Nice to be here again. Every year goes by and it goes by so fast, but I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be part of this jury for this award. And I haven't I haven't said this before to Mr. Subirama Reddy, but I really commend the effort that he's taking in keeping this award alive and in keeping the name of Yash Chopra alive. It's not being done for commercial gains. It's being done the way I see it, just purely as a tribute to a very good friend of his and a very great filmmaker. And I think he deserves an applause for his gesture.
I'm glad to be part of this jury. In fact, Rekha ji was one candidate who probably was almost unanimously selected, and I feel she deserves this, and she deserves much more than this. She started her career in 1970 and this is probably the 5th decade and she's still around, shining as a diva, and she is probably amongst the most prolific actresses we've had in our industry. I wish the jury members, and I wish to thank the jury members to acknowledge her contribution to the film industry, especially to Mr. Subirama Reddy, because with this award, he has underlined what talent means. It means a lot when it comes to honoring people like Rekha, and I wish this award greater glories, and I wish we can continue with this. This is something which Mr. Reddy has decided to do to honor the memory of the great filmmaker Yash Chopra. I have had some close interactions with him and I feel he deserves all the glory that this award and his films have been bestowing on him, and I hope they continue to do so. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Today I'm really happy to be part of this jury, one of the jury members. And today it's a wonderful a decision has been taken by the jury. It's wonderful to think about his films and his making. I think today's generation has to learn. It is like a library kind. His films are magnanimously successful, and as Reddy sir, he was talking about the first time they have chosen Lata Mangeshkar ji to have this award, and second time the great Amit ji, and today they have selected, the jury has been selected for Rekha ji. It's wonderful because her talent, definitely the people, today's generation also well connected, and the industry, what she has contributed to the industry, she has done so many magnanimous films. I must thankful to Subramanian Reddy ji because he is member of parliament for so many years. He is in the parliament, but as a politician he has made his place. But not only that, he is well connected to the industry also. So he has taking forward this Yash Chopra ji's award to give talented people, to acknowledge the talent in the industry and give them respect. It's wonderful, and I'm really thankful to you, sir, because nobody have time for themselves, but he's giving so much of time and so much of, he's showing the path to the talent, and he's acknowledging the talented people to give the respect to them. Thank you, sir, once again.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.